India Foxtrot Kilo is ready.
India Foxtrot Kilo, squawk 3267.
India Foxtrot Kilo, squawk 3267.
India Foxtrot Kilo, it's runway 11, surface wind at 040 degrees 7 knots. Declared takeoff to be a left now to route via Nawan Dam. Operate not above 2,000 feet, report CTR outbound next.
India Foxtrot Kilo, clear takeoff runway 11, left hand out towards Nahoon Dam, not above 2,000 foot. Report CTR outbound next, India Foxtrot Kilo. Okay, transponder is set. Fuel pump landing light, we're all ready to go. Flaps 1. Speed allowed 40 knots. 50 knots back pressure. Power mount 74. Brakes undercarriage, push, mixture, throttle, fuel pump, landing line.
Echo Golf X-ray, final approach,
Fuel pressure maintained, flaps up. Okay, clear right, center, left, turning left onto 020. Yeah, you're good. So this is the trimmer here. Click this button, it trims up. Trims up. This button is trim the aircraft down. In autopilot, if you switch that on, and then you set your heading and your altitude, this button engages it. India Foxtrot Kilo, overhead Nahoon Dam.
India Foxtrot Kilo, broadcast on 125.2, report returning.
Broadcasting 125.2, report returning, India Foxtrot Kilo. Eastline and Special Rules, this is Zulu Uniform, India Foxtrot Kilo, wings, park traffic. India Foxtrot Kilo, overhead Nahoon Dam, and flying overhead wings park in approximately 5 minutes time.
All this us, feeling all when hate how much you are. As now, as all this us, feeling I love you now. As my living, as all this us, feeling I hate how much you are.
It looks like we're landing 09 with a tiny bit of crosswind. Wings park traffic, India Foxtrot Kilo joining left downwind, runway 09. Fuel pump landing light on. Any finals? Wings park traffic, India Foxtrot Kilo on finals for runway 09. You're far too high, far too far. And up again. Eastline Special Rules, India Foxtrot Kilo, airborne out of Wings Park, and routing now towards Center.
Runway 11, surface wind at 9:30 degrees 7 knots. You are clear to land.
Clear to land, India Foxtrot Kilo.
India Foxtrot Kilo, vacate right on taxiway Alpha 2 Alpha, clear to cross runway 0624, Bravo Golf for the hangars.
India Foxtrot Kilo, right to Alpha 2 Alpha, clear to cross runway 0624, Bravo Golf to the hangars. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.